Soccer AM. Now this little number here is just to remind people to keep football in perspective, right? You lot are going to help me out on the chorus. Stop moaning and start being Palace, yeah? Stop moaning and try being Palace. That's going to be the little chorus hook that you lot are going to help me out with. But let me break it down to you. Check this out. Ready? See, there's some younger fans who won't understand this, but stop moaning and try being Palace. A little perspective might help with your sadness, so when I hear some of your problems, I get embarrassed, man. I don't want to be callous, sound savage or spread malice, but look, I've got no clue why you feel so amused. You chose the wrong dude to be moaning to. I'm an eagle, bruv, my blood runs red and blue. But you know what? I wouldn't want your spot instead of you. If you're a Man City fan struggling with depression when you've only been multi-millionaires for 5 seconds, why not try administration for size? Trying to scrape a couple mil just to keep your club alive. Chelsea food themselves and managers too. If you only win the Champions League, then you're through. Moaning about Benitez and what he says. Try Terry Venables, he took us to the cleaners. Poor Liverpool haven't won the league lately. How many times they won already? 18? Yeah, it's not quite fair. Selling Fernando Torres for only 50 million. What a man there. If the Europa League makes you embarrassed, please stop moaning and try being Palace. Losing the block because someone ate a prawn sandwich. Mad because there's no more room in the trophy cabinet, please. Your owner's got a cowboy hat and comes from Dallas, man. Everybody arguing about tapping up. I don't want to hear that stuff from any big clubs. Imagine if every young player you're creating in your academy is immediately taken. At that point, we can discuss frustration. Till then, please get a grip, bruv. Patience. Good things come to those who wait. I want to tell that to Arsenal. Too late. It's like they got a phobia for not being ammonia. Every single year, gotta hear all that woe is us. They've only qualified for Champions League. For how many times? Something like 16. Anything less tragic, I guarantee you won't see. Counting down the years since they won a trophy. I want to know is the Zenith data systems cut. So excuse me if I don't give a... Oh, how tragic. Stop moaning. Nearly got relegated once. Ooh, damn it. Your stadium screen hasn't got 3D graphics. Oh, you're starting